Hello guys, I am Shubham from Shubham Tutorials. This video is about genetic linkage. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Genetic linkage means how the genes are linked to each other and how these genes are passed. Means their inheritance. How is their inheritance? That we will see in this video. So basically, I have drawn your chromosomes and these are non-homologous chromosomes. Okay, so these are non-homologous chromosomes. Non-homologous chromosomes. Okay, means they are not homolog of each other. They are having different genes. Okay, so let's take an example. This is having a gene A and this is having a gene B. Okay, and here are the alleles, right? So these two are the homologs of each other and these are homologs, but these two are non-homologous. Okay, so the genotype, what this genotype is AA and BB. So this is the process in which we are seeing how these chromosomes will get separated and how the gametes are formed, okay, from this genotype, right, from this genotype. So this is two separate things. Okay, now what happens, see, first the combinations are, this is capital A, this is also capital A. Okay, this is capital B, this is again capital B. So we can write here as AB, right? Then here small a, small a, small a. Here small b, small b, right? So we can write here, right, as well as here capital A, capital A, small a, small a, right? And here this combination will be opposite, right? So what we can write here, A, capital A, small b, and small a, capital B, right? So this is 50% chance, and this is 50%, right? So both of these are possible. Okay, so 50% this will occur, right? I will just draw here drawing so that you don't get confused by these two separate things. Okay, so now after this they will just segregate. Okay, here this is capital A and this is capital B. Again same here with this. Here small a, small b, as well as here also, right? So these are the different gametes that are forming. Same here with this capital A, small a, small a. Here same, here there is different, small b, small b, capital B, capital, right? So this again you can write here these are this and okay. So these are the four types of gamete. After that, right? Okay. So this we have already seen. This is basically independent assortment. This is known as independent assortment of genes according to Mendele's second law, as the genes are located on different chromosomes, right? So A and B, these are located on different chromosomes. We can see independent assortment, okay? And then what is happening? So independent assortment, right? This is called independent assortment of genes. And thus we can see four different types of gametes. What are the gametes? These are the gametes. AB, capital A with small b, right? Then small a, capital B, and then small a, small b. Okay, right? So these are the gametes, four types of gametes. So these are located on the two different genes, right? We can also write here. Okay, so when this type of things happen, means when genes are located on different chromosome, they are known as unlinked genes. Okay, unlinked genes, as they are located on the different chromosome. Now we will see what happens when the genes are located on the same chromosome, that is homologous chromosomes. Okay, and two genes. Let's see. See, this is the chromosome again, and here are the two genes, capital A, capital B, located on same chromosome, right? Okay, same genes on chromosomes. Two genes are located. Now we will see, right? Okay, so this is the genotype. We can write here. This is capital A and BB, right? And here this is the genotype of this particular offspring. Okay, so this is parental genotype. Then gametes, and this is F1. Okay, so what will be the gametes? They will always give capital A and capital B because same genes are there. And here small a, small b, right? So F1 will have capital A, capital B, small a, small b, right? So this is the F1. F1 is again, right? Okay, they are located on the same chromosome. Okay, so what we can say here, see these genes A and capital A and capital B, these are located on the single chromosome. Here small a and small b, and thus they are inherited together, right? Okay, they are not getting separated because they are located on the same chromosome. So this is known as linked genes. Okay, this A and B linked genes. They are located on the same chromosome. To conclude here, I will just summarize that genes on different chromosomes, okay, different chromosomes, what they are known as unlinked genes, and genes on same chromosome are known as linked genes. Okay, as we saw in the first case, that this capital A and capital B are located on the different chromosomes. Okay, non-homologous chromosomes, right? And here, capital A and capital B are located on the same chromosome, right? So that's it for this video. I hope this video helps you. And in the next video, we will see how these linked genes are inherited. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please share it. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever new video is out. Also follow us on all our social media pages, and you can join us on Telegram and stay connected for the latest updates. All links mentioned in the description section.